Okay, so now that we've got all of our unit tests working, the next stage of testing is integration testing, where you're not testing things as units in isolation, you're testing them in the entire system. So I've written a very simple index page, which loads my autoloader, loads my module that I've written, uh, initializes a new user, sets the username to world, and then echoes the greeting. And I've written a functional test, so which basically is going to use the Selenium WebDriver using Mink to visit that page at the URL supplied by Docker. It's bhat because in Docker Compose we gave it the service name of bhat and it's on port 8000. So that's the same service that we could test in our own local browser to demonstrate. If we go to localhost 8000 hello world, so that's going to perform exactly the same test, but it's using the internal username or service name of bhat rather than localhost. Okay, so it's going to then see if that page contains the word hello, contains the text hello world. So if we run that test, and we'll clear that, and we run the test, it runs all the tests, not just the one, that last one. You see everything passes, including that when visited in a browser it says hello world. And to demonstrate that that is actually testing it, if we change our index page to set the username to Fred and test again, it now fails. And Selenium will let you do anything that a user can do. So it's possible to write complete integration tests for your entire website, in logged in areas, in logged out areas. Every single thing that a human being can do using your website, you can write Selenium tests to test. And if you've got complete code coverage of your tests, then you can guarantee that every time you introduce a new feature, you will not break existing code, because as long as all your tests are green, then you know that the new functionality hasn't adversely affected the old functionality.